Hey guys, hello liberal arts math. How we doing this week? Hope you're doing great. Hope you guys had a good holiday. If you celebrated it, if not, hope you had a good weekend. But let's talk about what we need to get done for this week. So this week we are going to do the 12 topics still, 120 minutes, and just make sure you show your work, okay? I know some of you reached out to me. That's great. It's always great to keep in touch. So keep in touch with me if you need help, whatever it may be. If you need to ask me something, I'm here for you guys, okay? So you guys are almost done. Keep plugging away. I know Alex isn't the most exciting stuff, but you guys are doing great. Keep up the good work, all right? So you're almost there. If you need help, please reach out through Schoology and I'll help you out, okay? You know, we're almost there. It's almost the end of the year. I just gotta say, keep going, and we'll get through this. All right. If you need anything, let me know, and I will see you guys next week.